Hi, how can you make better decisions? The answer is simple. Make fewer decisions. Not all decisions merit the same amount of effort. But the problem is that people tend to spend too much time on trivial decisions. How can you solve this? This little matrix will help you. There are 4 types of decision. Type 1 decisions are irreversible and consequential. For example, the decision to fire a person. That is consequential and irreversible. Then there are decisions which are consequential but reversible. For example, the decision to hire someone. That is a decision which is consequential, it's important, but it's reversible. If it doesn't work out, you can still fire the person. Then there's type 3. These decisions are irreversible but inconsequential. For example, what to order for lunch. Okay, it's irreversible, you'll have to eat it, but it's inconsequential. And then finally, you have decisions which are reversible and inconsequential. For example, what type of coffee to order for the coffee machine. Reversible, inconsequential. So there are fundamental strategies which are different depending on each quarter. Here, you should take your time. You should really spend most of your time with these type of decisions. This field here, this is where you should run experiments. This is also the type of decision where you can train your people. So train the decision-making skills of your desk people in the consequential but reversible decisions. So if it goes wrong, you can reverse the decision. And then you have these 2 fields where there's only one strategy to apply, and this is to delegate. Okay? So if you're conscious of this little matrix, you will be able to spend more of your time in this quadrant, and the quality of your decisions will be better because you will be making fewer decisions. Thank you for watching.